land in Peru, you must visit the city of Cusco.
Welcome to Cusco!
Not only is it one of the most beautiful cities we've ever seen, but it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which means it's a must-see. And the most luxurious way to experience the city is to stay at the JW Marriott El Convento. For the next 7 nights, we'll be staying in their family suite. Naxenia, take it away!
Ready? First the first entrance and the second entrance. What? Oh my goodness! Look at this tray full of sugar. I see beautiful sugar things. Chocolate bonbons? Oh my god. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Did I cookies yet from Mama? Oh yeah, baby. And look at this TV. Hi, can you come here? Okay, let's check out the room. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Whoa.
Look how cute these are. We also got Dad's desk over here. You want to see Dad's desk? Now let's check out the bathroom. Let's go. Copy for Mama and Dada.
Oh, oh.
Maybe I'll put this back. I don't know how to put this back.
No, don't turn it on. What's inside?
Soap.
Ooh.
We got
I
some
like.
soap and 2 sinks to make sure you always wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds or sing the birthday song. And over here, we have Q-tips to clean your nose. We have a closet.
Ooh, nice closet.
Ooh, closet.
Okay, there's 2 bathrooms here. What's the other
Oh
bathroom?
yeah, let me show you the other bathroom. I didn't see any bathroom.
Let's go find the other bathroom.
Hiding over there.
Oh, there's Mom Duty vlog.
Oh, I was hiding in the teepee.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
not her. It's my celebrity show. What is there? Toilet wallet. Oh, I think I had chili dog burritos last day.
So we just finished our room tour and now it's time for us to finally relax. We are going to go to the relaxation area that has a pool, a jacuzzi, and a sauna. Let's go.
Wow.
Done with relaxation, and now time to go to dinner. Let's get ready.
What you got a combo?
I got the seafood spaghetti and it is amazing.
Didn't your mama teach you any manners?
Oh,
This is the best seafood spaghetti I've ever had in my life. No joke.
so at this hotel they have Kespi, their Peruvian restaurant where they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And what's really unique about it is they have all these different nooks. So they have the bar area, nice dinner area, they have the cozy area by the fireplace, and they have even a patio area.
It's breakfast time.
Okay, this is their breakfast here and it is super cute. It kind of reminds me of like a little farmer's market. They have like little stations. They have an omelet station, they have the fruit station, and it's aesthetically beautiful. Cheers. Cheers, baby.
I got omelet with sausage and cheese, and then I got my melon and papaya juice, and then I got my strawberry and grape.
I've got me sunny side up egg, some chia, I don't know what I got.
With granola.
Granola, and strawberries and papaya. And it's my coffee.
It's a boy, yeah, it's a boy.
Oh my gosh, this is Panchito and he is a baby alpaca and we're gonna get to take a picture with him. I wanna take him home. And he's all dressed up with a beautiful collar. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Being able to hang out with Panchito in this beautiful courtyard garden is one of a kind. But the on-site unique experiences don't stop there. Okay guys, this hotel has a bit of a history. It used to be a convent and we're about to go take a walking tour with a monk.
So this hotel has a very interesting history. Follow me over here.
Interesting indeed. It used to be occupied by monks and then in 1840 it was converted into something
A
else.
famous general converted the convent into a military headquarters.
And after the military base, it was turned into shops.
Bakery shop
Oh wow.
called La Genovesa, and also a very famous chocolate factory.
But even way before the original convent, this spot used to be ruins, and they have the exhibition halls to prove that.
This is one of the only hotels in Cusco that has exhibition rooms with ruins on it. And here I will be able to show you a traditional Inca street and some artifacts.
Wow, talk about world schooling for the
The
kids.
Incas were not first the Kikas. And then after the Incas took over, the Spaniards took over. And then this place used to be a bakery and a chocolate factory.
Now, besides learning about history, the next on-site experience is a cooking class. So this is Chef Josue, and he's going to be teaching us how to make trout ceviche today.
That's real tiger milk?
Not from an actual tiger.
Oh.
No.
I thought it was tiger milk. You said tiger milk, so I'm like, oh, tiger milk. You guys have a
Just
tiger?
name, nothing of an animal.
No, animals were harmed in the making of this video.
Keep it fresh, it tastes good.
It smells so good. The next ingredient is tiger milk.
Ooh,
Yes.
tiger
All
milk.
of it?
All of it.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video.
That's a fish.
Yeah, it's a fish.
Enjoy your ceviche.
Thank you, chef. Thank you very much.
The ceviche was delicious. And next on the list is an adult-only experience. And now we're going to be taking a mixology class. We're going to be learning how to make a pisco sour, which is a Peruvian drink. And we're here with mixology master Freddy.
Made in only Peru, eh?
Like tequila is to Mexico, pisco is to Peru.
Wow. It's good for my altitude sickness.
Yeah. Number one, you need to have ice. Only for chill the glass. Plain syrup. Fresh lime juice. Egg white.
Egg white.
Pour me a little drops. Sorry.
Ah, see that?
Good.
Voila. I'm not drunk yet.
3 shots for one pisco sour.
3 shots
3 shots
for 1 pisco sour?
for one pisco sour.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Good job, Freddy.
Cheers from Peru.
From Peru.
Delicious. That is so fresh.
Good times, good times. Now let's go check out what's outside of these walls. So one of the best things about JW Marriott is their central location. It is walking distance to Cusco's main attraction, which is Plaza de Armas. There are really cute restaurants here with colorful balconies. There are vendors, there's even alpacas walking around. It is the heart of Cusco, and it just so happens that it's right next to the other main attraction, the cathedral. I'm out of breath. This altitude makes me not breathe. So we are going to San Blas, and there's supposed to be some shopping there. It's supposed to be a beautiful plaza, so.
The only thing is, it's uphill.
just went to San Blas, and if you want really cute and cheap, affordable stuff, go there. I just bought a bunch of things for under $25. Beanies, socks, chongos, bags, notebooks. And now what's most impressive about Cusco is the Inca stonework. And nothing represents its mastery like this 12-angle stone, known for its 12 points. It's 6 tons, it's 2 meters deep, and it's over 600 years old.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah.
The mystery behind it is not just how the Incas made it and how it got here, but when there are earthquakes here, that all the rocks surrounding it, all the stones surrounding it, absorb the movement. They don't crack, they don't break. It's like the most mysterious thing ever. Even until today, modern engineers don't even know how they were built.
Alright guys, so when in Cusco, you must visit Saxe Woman.
What? What'd you say?
Saxe Woman!
You can't say that. You're not single, Dad.
You're married, you're taken.
Yeah.
Saxe Woman!
Cutting the power lines, we're done talking about it. A spark turns into fire, and we're not sorry about it. If you're not sleeping tight, you know we're onto something. You hear the streets are crying, ocean turns into fighting.
We're done with Sexy Woman?
Yes, we are done, Ocampo. This is the only sexy woman for you.
Take control of the wheel, take it to the streets. Take control of the lead.